Hi, I'm Isaac, Director of Training here at the Middleby Innovation Kitchen. Today we're going to be going over calibrating a thermostat. Okay, so today we are going to be going through the procedure for calibrating this K-style Pitco thermostat. I've already taken the temperature of the oil. The temperature of the oil is 30 degrees hotter than what the thermostat is displaying on the dial here. So we're going to start by removing the dial. After you remove the dial, you're going to expose the stem here, and in the center of the stem is the calibration screw. What you need to do in order to do this is you're going to need a very small screwdriver that will fit inside the stem, and you're going to need some sort of needle nose or something like that to hold the stem stationary as you are adjusting the calibration. Now, I said the oil was 30 degrees hotter than what our set point was. And so what we're going to need to do is we are going to bring our set point up to that temperature of what the oil is. And in order to calibrate up, we are going to have to turn the calibration screw counterclockwise. Well, first thing what you need to do is you need to make sure that all of the thread sealant that is inside here is removed. That can sometimes be the most challenging job, but I've already gotten it removed in this situation, and I'm going to just install the screwdriver here onto the calibration screw and then hold with needle nose so that the stem doesn't spin at the same time. Now, what I'm going to do is, because this thermostat is right now electrically open, I am going to turn it counterclockwise until it closes, which means that we should be at the correct temperature. Then I will, after that adjustment is made, put the knob back on and take the temperature of the oil to find out if any further adjustments are needed at that point.